Welcome to Ludo Tips TV, your go-to resource for practical tech advice. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most useful tech tips that can help streamline your digital life. Whether you're a seasoned techie or a beginner, these tips are designed to enhance your productivity and make your use of technology much more enjoyable. Step 1. Master keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow by eliminating the need to switch between mouse and keyboard. For instance, instead of right-clicking to copy and paste, use Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. Try Alt-Tab to quickly switch between open applications. Spend a few minutes learning these shortcuts for your most used software and watch how they transform your efficiency. Step 2. Utilize cloud storage. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive not only free up space on your device, but also ensure your files are accessible from anywhere. Start by syncing important documents and photos to the cloud. This way, not only do you have a backup, but you can also access your files on the go from any device. It's a simple step that offers immense convenience and security. Step 3. Manage your browser tabs. If you're like most people, you probably have too many tabs open on your browser, which slows down your computer. Use extensions like OneTab or the Great Suspender to manage your tabs more effectively. These tools consolidate your tabs into a list or suspend them to free up memory, making your browsing experience faster and more organized. Step 4. Protect your privacy online. In today's digital world, protecting your online privacy is paramount. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and protect your data from prying eyes. Additionally, regularly clear your browser cache and cookies to eliminate tracking. Step 5. Regularly update your software. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for security and performance. Software updates often include patches for vulnerabilities and improvements in functionality. Enable automatic updates wherever possible, so you're always running the latest and safest versions of your applications. These tips are just the beginning of optimizing your tech skills. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your digital efficiency and security. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to Ludo Tips TV for more tech tips and insights. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let's make technology work for you.